Hi everyone. Tomatoes and peppers are coming in. Beans are ready to be picked and garden season is at peak in July. This is exactly the time for next round of seed sowing. I know you probably are tired. So am I. But the specialty of fall crops is that they grow bigger in size without bolting, have intense flavor that you just cannot buy from grocery stores, and that feeling of pulling fresh vegetables from garden in November and December is so wonderful that I am ready to put in some more work. Here are 10 different plants and seeds that I am sowing and transplanting in July for a fall and winter harvest. I am harvesting potatoes from these raised beds these days, and this one is ready for next round of seeds. I will plant carrots here. July and August are really hot, so I will provide shade to these beds using row covers, and I will water it more often until true leaves show up. Next is bush beans. I know most of you may feel it's too late for beans, but bush bean planted in July bring lush harvest in September, when other bean plants are done and long gone. It was a big surprise for me when I tried it last year, and it is totally worth it. Next crop is daikon radish. You can also plant just about any other radish. I love daikon because they are multi-purpose. I can eat as many as I like, and the rest acts as cover crop. You can just let the spare ones decompose where they are, and it will add organic matter to your soil, making it nutrient rich. July is also perfect to start brassica seeds such as cabbage, cauliflower, kohlrabi. Different varieties of kale and mustard are also perfect to grow right now for fall harvest, especially the red Russian kale, which can tolerate cold better than other varieties. This year, I will grow Napa cabbage, and I already have kohlrabi seedlings here. Next is leeks. I sowed leek seeds in March in this container, and these are ready to transplant. You may be able to find leek seedlings in nearby nurseries. My garlic plants are ready to harvest, and as I pull the garlic out, I will transplant leek plants in their place. So far, we have planted 6 different plants. The 7th one on my list is parsnip. I have so many parsnip seeds that these would last me a lifetime. I'm just going to grab this whole seed stalk and shake it right over this area. Then I will just gently rake these in. I did the same for turnip, and you can see I already have turnip seedlings coming up here. Turnips do so well in fall. It is very easy to grow and stores well. You can tell it's my favorite. I just love growing it. A lot of root vegetables make this list for perfect crops to grow for fall gardens because at this time of the year they do not tend to bolt, which is the process of pushing flower stalk up. Instead, they give large harvests as they tend to grow bigger in size, and like I mentioned earlier, their flavor intensifies as the temperatures drop. Keeping up with this trend, next on my list is beetroots. These can be direct sown in the garden as well. Last on my list is cover crops. If you have poor soil, cover crops can help improve it, especially clay soil. In fact, this raised bed is a great example where I couldn't grow anything last year, but this year it is giving us lush harvests. I have covered this topic in great detail in quite a few videos. I will link a playlist to screen on how to improve poor clay soil. Do check it out next. If you found value in this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe. It truly helps to keep me motivated to create useful content. Thanks for watching.